In a sunny savannah, on a patch of soft, green grass, lived a little hippo named Humphrey. Humphrey was the smallest hippo in his family, but he had the biggest heart. Every morning, Humphrey would wake up to the sound of birds chirping and the sun peeking over the horizon. He loved to splash around in the river, playing with his friends and eating delicious water lilies. One day, Humphrey noticed that his friends were acting strange. They seemed worried and sad. Humphrey asked, "What's wrong, my friends? Why do you look so troubled?" His friends explained that their favorite water lily pond was drying up. Without water lilies, they would have nothing to eat. Humphrey felt sad for his friends and thought of a plan. He remembered hearing about a magical waterfall that could fill the pond. It was far away, but Humphrey knew he had to try. He said, "I will go find the magical waterfall and bring water back to our pond." Humphrey embarked on a long journey. He faced many obstacles, but he never gave up. He climbed hills, crossed rivers, and even swam through thick jungles. Finally, he arrived at the magical waterfall. The sight of the cascading water made Humphrey jump for joy. He quickly filled his big mouth with water and began the long journey back. Upon his return, Humphrey saw his friends gathered around the empty pond. He approached them and opened his mouth, letting the water spill out. The pond filled up, and his friends cheered with joy. From that day forward, Humphrey was not just the smallest hippo, but the bravest and kindest as well. His friends never went hungry again, and they always remembered the day their little friend saved their home. And so, whenever they saw Humphrey, they would remember his bravery and his big heart. They would say, "Look, there's Humphrey, the hippo who saved our home." And Humphrey would grin, his eyes twinkling with joy. He knew he had made a difference, and that was all that mattered. The end.